Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we are diving into everything you need to know about the H1B visa, the requirements, the process, and the latest reforms as of 2024. If you're looking to work in the United States under an H1B visa, this video is for you. Let's get started. The H1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows US companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations that require theoretical or technical expertise. Professions that commonly qualify include IT, engineering, mathematics, physical sciences, and more. First, let's talk about the eligibility requirements. Specialty occupation. The job must require a bachelor's degree or higher as the minimum entry-level requirement. Employer-employee relationship. The petitioning employer must have a legitimate need and the right to control the employee's work. Bachelor's degree. The applicant must have a relevant US bachelor's degree or its foreign equivalent. Wages. The employer must agree to pay at least the prevailing wage for the position in the geographic area of employment. Next, let's break down the H1B visa application process. Employer registration. Employers must first register with the USCIS during the designated registration period. For financial year 2025, this period typically runs for about 2 weeks in March. Electronic registration. Employers submit basic information about the company and the potential employee. Lottery selection. Due to high demand, a random lottery selection is used if the number of registrations exceeds the annual cap of 85,000 visas. Filing the petition. If selected, the employer can file Form I-129 and submit it to USCIS with supporting documentation. Approval and visa issuance. Upon approval, the applicant can apply for an H1B visa at the US Embassy or Consulate. Now, let's discuss the recent reforms as of 2024 that aim to strengthen the integrity of the H1B program. Beneficiary-centric selection. Starting financial 2025, registrations are selected based on unique beneficiaries, ensuring each applicant has an equal chance, regardless of the number of registrations submitted by employers. Online filing. USCIS has introduced an online filing option for H1B gap petitions, streamlining the process and reducing paperwork. Integrity measures. New rules include mandatory valid passport information for each beneficiary, aimed at reducing fraud and duplication. Here are some tips for prospective H1B applicants. Early preparation. Start early by gathering necessary documents like your degree certificates, resume, and employment verification letters. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest USCIS updates and deadlines to ensure timely submission. Legal assistance. Consider consulting an immigration attorney to navigate complex regulations and increase your chances of success. That's a wrap in today's video about the H1B visa requirements, process, and recent reforms. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on immigration and visas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.